Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this really nice scroll effect inside of Wix. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I would like to note is I actually made a couple assets in a program called Illustrator. So the first thing I did was I created a background like this. So the bottom half of it is a gray, and then the top half of it is whatever color you want the transition to be. So whatever color you want this to be, you can see right here. Here is that orange, and then down below is the gray. So you can see that right here. And then right here, we have basically this image right here, which basically consists of circles and a line, and it has a cutout, and it's basically cut out, and it's just a PNG, and it also has some icons in there as well. And then I exported this as a PNG. So if I pull it up, you can see right here, it's basically has no background behind the icons. So these circles and this line is basically transparent. And once I exported them, I just uploaded them here into Wix. So right here, if I preview this, you're going to see this. And then if I go over, you're going to see this one right here as well. But now that we have uploaded this to Wix, let's go ahead and create a new page. And what I want to do is just go ahead and add a strip, just like this. I'm going to go ahead and make this about 1,000 pixels. 1,000 pixels, just like that. We're going to change the background to our image. We're going to choose the background image just like this. And we're going to set the background scroll effect to reveal. The next thing I want to do is just copy and paste this strip. So we're going to press copy and we're going to press paste just like that. And we're going to move it right underneath this one right here. The next thing that I want to do is we're going to create another strip. For this one, we're going to set the height to 2,000 pixels. We're going to change the strip background to our other image with the icons, just like that. And you can see it right here. But we actually need to come into the settings and remove the color background right here. Perfect. So now you're going to notice that the icons have disappeared because we removed the color background. But as we start moving it up, you're going to see it start reappear. So what we're going to do is just keep bumping this up all the way to the top. Just like that. Okay. And if I go ahead and press preview, you're going to notice it's already working. And you're going to notice it's not going all the way down to the bottom, and it's not going all the way to the top. And that is because our page is currently not that tall. So what we need to do is actually add another strip. We'll just add this one at the very top, just like that. And then maybe at the very bottom, we want to have some sort of call to action. So we'll go ahead and drag this one at the bottom. Perfect. And then what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and paste in some text right here. And you can just line it up with each of the icons that you place in. And we'll keep doing this for each one of these different items. And we can go kind of back and forth on the page. And then if you wanted to, which I would recommend, is you can add a little fade, or you can have a float in type effect. So you can have this float in from the left when it's on the left hand side, and you can have it float in from the right when it's on the right hand side. And now if we go ahead and preview the website, we're going to scroll down and we're going to get this really nice effect here. And that basically wraps it up for today's video. I know this video was short, but I hope it did give you some inspiration for something you can do on your website. If you did enjoy the video, please consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.